Here are we back in the garden.
On n'est pas sorti de quelques jours et... Regarde. C'est bon?
C'est bon encore.
C'est bon encore. Oh là là.
My people, you scare me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so big.
Elle est encore plus grosse que l'autre.
Oh la la, it's bigger for my legs.
Yeah.
It's too big.
On va la laisser là.
Monster courgette ou zucchini.
Attends, ouais.
C'est un peu compliqué là. Ouch! Amen.
Oui. Ok. C'est beau ici. C'est beau, hein?
Mais elle a été envahie.
Ils sont posés sur de l'herbe. Là, ce sont belles. Ouais, elles sont posées sur de l'herbe. Donc, elles ne sont pas pourries.
Celle-là, oui.
Elle éclate.
Tomate.
Mais elle est bonne ou pas?
Yeah, because it was
Elle
raining.
éclate, non, pour le manger. Mais... C'est la pluie qui l'a fait éclater. Il faut la mettre de...
T'as vu nos carottes?
Ouais, non, je sais pas.
Ouais, elles ont bien grossi. Elles ont bien grossi.
Il faut les manger, il faut les laver, il faut les manger ce soir, tu vois.
Ah, mais
Ça,
non,
je vais l'enlever, ça. Tout ce côté, c'est bon. Mais bien sûr.
eat it.
Oh là là.
Bah, it's boslot, c'est really good, hein?
Ah, ça m'est égal. Bossot, pas bossot.
Non, tu manges pas ça.
Papa eat it. He cut it every day.
You want to eat that, little guy? You let him to eat that?
Yeah, Papa, he eat it.
Are you good, huh?
Yeah, but he cut.
It's
Inside is good, Papa. Shell.
disgusting.
That's not
Tu vois, les autres, je ne vais pas tout ramasser. Je préfère les laisser dessus maintenant parce que elles pourrissent trop vite. Là.
Je crois qu'il y a encore de...
Ça, il faut les...
Oh
tu le
là
coupes
là.
pas, c'est pas grave, ça. C'est pas, tu vois, les...
Et les carottes?
Ouais, namulak ka.
Carottes, on les cueille pas.
Look at that.
Ananas, j'ai mon corps.
How do you say that? What can you say that? It's so... Oh, tomato lang. Can you
Regardez, c'est
imagine?
pas une courgette, là.
We have so much tomato, but it was raining the other days. But maybe they will... No, there's so much, you know? When it's raining, it's not good.
Ouais, tu peux le manger,
It's
tu vois,
all
comme
breaking.
ça. Regarde,
Not
ça.
nice, huh?
Regarde.
Which one? Ama, you... Uy! You didn't spray that?
Mm.
Huh?
No. They were not there when I sprayed.
Ah, okay. There was one at... The sea was... Ayula.
Careful.
There's too small.
It's not growing. It's heavy now.
It's heavy, really, Cory?
No, it's heavy.
Oh, the other side. Oh, okay.
No.
Give me the other one. Hold it. Okay, more. This is our harvest. Not much good now. The last. It's the ending of the season, so this is the last. West. Okay, minutes na. Dito ko magsugod. Dito ako magsimula mag-clean for next. Yung asawa ko ang magtatanim, ako mag-prepare sa ground. Ewan ko anong itanim niya. Mag-research pa daw siya. Aray ko. And that I really don't want that I am controlled. Oh bloody, life goes on, breath. Na, 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 na. Careful pa kasi mayroong mga ano, flowers, hindi pwedeng maano, ang flowers. So you see, you can see that all is may pagkatubo, maganda yung pagkaano niya, grow niya. Compare nito, ito. You see, baka kasabay lang yan sila eh. You see, oh, kasabay yan sila. If you look at this one, it's too small, na south siya, I don't know nang nangyari. And this one also, you see, hindi siya ano, maganda. South, I don't know tawag sa English niyan. Na south siya, oh. But may bunga siya, oh. May dalawang bunga siya. You see that? Ganun yan, ibuhay eh. Pag hindi yan natin, yung seed na yan, hindi yan, no? May bunga siya, di ba? Yan. Kunin ko. Ito. Maliit lang. Mayroon pang isa, pero maliit. Masyadong maliit. Indiwan ko kung magbigay ito. Talaga patay na to. Ito yung na ano ko. Na bira ko. Shalom guys. Ito. Melon. You know melon? Not watermelon. Melon. Dami melon dito. Na. Ito. Hindi pa. Malapit na yan. Ang daming bunga eh. Daming bunga. Yan. Ito pa. Ayun. Aniwan ko. Okay ba yun? Every flower is melon. Every flower is melon. Ito po. Yan, yellow. That is a melon yan. Melon, yan. Here is, ito maliit, oh. Have you seen that? Ayan. Malabas na, oh. You see? Klaro ba? Ayan. Diba? Maliit siya. Yung flower. Oh, ayan, ha. Yan. Kita nyo yan? Melon yan. Daghan kaayo mi og harvest sa mga ani ba kini ba advice ko sa inyo pagtanom mo aning zucchini. Because zucchini is a lot of halos everyday siya everyday siya mamunga. You have 5 like this. I will show you. 5 like this. Oh my gosh, every day this one will give a lot of ito lang dalawa, or every 2 other days it will always give a fruit. So you can sell this in the market. Dito hindi ka pwede tinda nito. Bawal dito magtanim, mag-sell, mamaligya. Kasi pag wala kang permit, paano man, halos mga tao dito sa countryside nagtatanim sa backyard nila. So paano mo yun itinda? Di mo yan matinda. Kasi halos taong na nakatira dito are planting some vegetables. Kamatis, tomatoes, different cucumber. So cucumber is soon to come. Ito na, malaki na cucumber namin. I will show you. You see, this is cucumber. And then, what is that? That yellow is already the flower. They have more flower now. So, more flower means more cucumbers is coming. So, yan siya. Isa lang yan, ha? Dalawang puno yan. Dalawang puno. Ito. Ito, maliit ang isa. Ito, maliit pa ang punong ito. So, you see. Nanibunga na. Gamatitiw. Gamatitiw. Talong. Sana we will have a good talong. Because we never had there was, but it was not good harvest. Yan